Endplay. You just need to stack the center. Don't need clutches or frictions. Bearing. Grab the output. Output. Bearing. No frictions or stales. Just want to stack the center. That's it. Still stacking the center. Don't worry about anything else. Nothing inside. Bearing. Drum. Don't gotta worry about fitting the frictions or steels. It's riding on the bearing. Drop it in. No pump, no problem. Sits there against the case, sits there against the bearing. There you go, it's touching the case. There's your clearance. Was that about 80? Yeah, I know it's crude but effective. Seven? Oh. Alright. We got 75. Start adding your shims, and do not forget that the pump gasket adds to that clearance. Okay, so that's how you do your stack up. Quick, easy. You don't gotta worry about frictions or anything else. Just set the end play. When you got the end play set, start building.